1 Minute Inspirations, Henry Street Church of Christ. God can restore what's been taken from you. And the Lord restored Job's losses when he prayed for his friends. Indeed, the Lord gave Job twice as much as he had before. Job chapter 42, verse 10, New King James Version. Job's story is familiar to most Christians. It is a story of a faithful, resilient man who faced adversity in its fullest measure. We know that he lost his family in death, servants, and wealth in the form of cattle all in one day. Also, his health was destroyed as boils covered him from head to toe. So Job was in most miserable circumstances, but he refused to curse God. We know that Job did not bring any of these calamities upon himself. Instead, they were afflictions brought about by our adversary, Satan. We know that Job suffered for a while, but at the end of the story, we realize that God was always mindful of him. The Bible shows us that Job received twice as much as what was taken from him through the works of Satan. What do we learn from his example? A lot. We learn that hardships can come to even the righteous. However, the righteous must still be resilient in our faithfulness to the Lord. We cannot quit the Christian faith because life is giving us a hard time. We cannot become bitter because things are not going our way. Instead, we must have the attitude of Job, who said during his tribulations, "If a man dies, shall he live again? All the days of my heart's service I will wait till my change comes." Job chapter 14, verse 14. And if you noticed, not only did God restore what was taken from Job, but doubled it. Our God can do anything. So the question becomes, can you and I wait until our change comes? If so, then the sufferings we go through will be nothing in comparison to the blessings in store in this life and or the one to come. God bless you. Thanks for listening. This is a ministry of the Henry Street Church of Christ. 309 Henry Street, Gadsden, Alabama, USA, 35901. www.henrystreetchurchofchrist.com. Please subscribe to our channel. God bless you.